నమస్కారం నా పేరు తరణి మెట్రో వాయిస్ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం మీరందరూ తప్పకుండా మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి థాంక్యూ
15 February 23 to 15 March 23 candidates are already registering for this rally, and as part of automation by Indian Army, the candidate can and have to register through DigiLocker. Now, the online C will be conducted at 176 locations simultaneously pan-India. And Army will also use Aadhaar for registration of candidate. The fees for registration has been set to 500 rupees. Out of 500, the candidate will have to pay 250 rupees and 250 rupees will be paid by the Army for registration. A candidate will be considered registered only if payment of money has been made and his admit card for the rally is generated. Until that, this candidate cannot be called registered, and candidate will get the date for the online seat subsequently.
And paper చూస్తున్నారన్నా పెట్టిన ఒకటి తీసేస్తున్నారు.
So online entrance exam, to appear in the online exam, admit cards would be available on Join Indian Army website 10 to 14 days before the commencement of the exams. Intimation of the same will also be sent to the candidates through mobile by the Army recruiting officers. All the candidates who are having problems in logging in can come to ARO or use Join Indian Army to put their queries, which will be answered by us. The online C is a computer-based exam. The process on how he can appear in the exam is also will be shown to you at the end of this conference. There are videos already uploaded on Join Indian Army. To assist the candidate to attempt exam without any issues, there is a link given in Join Indian Army where they can do a practical exam, a demo, so that they do not face any problems while giving the final exam in a center. So recruitment rally will be done post the merit of the C has been made. This recruitment rally will be held in a location which will be intimated to the candidates on completion of CEE.